In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate image to HTML. First, I'm going on Google. Then here I type image to HTML. Then click on enter. So here are lots of websites you found. You can select any one. So I select first one. Then here are upload your photo. Okay, I upload this image. Now it's convert to HTML, right? So if you want to change to another option, HTML, docs, PDF, MD, TXT, doc, etc. etc. So I need only HTML. Now click on convert. So it's already processing. So I need to wait few seconds for these things. Now I click on download. So it's download on my uh, file manager. If I opened, so you can see this is HTML file, first one HTML file. So this is a method how can transfer image to HTML using Google free method. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.